Maeve, are you eating your dinner? Are you eating your dinner? What do you have on your tray there? Do you have spaghetti? Want to show me the spaghetti? Do you have more spaghetti, honey? Oh, you've got some on your head. Spaghetti on your head. Uh-oh.
Are you sleepy?
Are you getting sleepy? Are you getting sleepy? Yeah. Are you eating? You eating? Or are you throwing stuff on the floor? Oh, you're feeding the cat. That was nice of you. Are you sharing? You sharing?